In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Canva on your computer or on your laptop. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. So I have here Canva and I'd like to go ahead and install it. But first, for you to get here, first you need to go to your computer, and for this tutorial I'm using Windows 10, and then head down here and you will see a Microsoft Store icon here. So go ahead and click on this Microsoft Store icon on the taskbar and it will take you to this Microsoft Store here. So from here, go ahead and look for your app, and you can see my app is here. I want to download Canva. However, if you can't find your app, go ahead and search here on top here using this search function and search Canva, and our app is here. Now you can proceed and download it by clicking on install. This will proceed and download Canva on your computer, and then it will be installed. Once Canva has been installed, now you can exit, and then you'll see your Canva app or program on your computer. As you can see, mine is up here, and now I can launch it from here. So that's how you can install Canva on your computer or on your laptop. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.